Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I was getting this request from a very long time that you guys wanted me to make one video on online shopping, but more importantly I was getting questions mainly on Instagram stores because I can also understand कि वहाँ पे like it's a bit difficult and it's a bit different also how we usually shop from online stores. So that's why I thought of making this full-fledged video wherein I'll be talking about how you can shop from Instagram stores and what are the procedures involved in it, what are the steps and everything. So yeah, let's get started. I can understand guys, since the ban of Shein, which we all used to love so much. I mean, I used to shop from there all the time and now it's banned, and yeah, it's a bit difficult to find such kind of cute little pieces in affordable prices anywhere anymore. But I guess it's okay at the same time because it's not like it's the end of the world. To be very honest guys, I tried searching for many good online stores where maybe we can find similar sort of styles जो कि Shein पे available होते थे, same pricing में, same quality में, and so many other different factors. And I even tried ordering from one website. I'm gonna link it down below. वहाँ से बिल्कुल भी order मत करना. My experience was so bad. Okay, first of all, it looked very real and I know कि ऐसी stores बहुत हैं online जो कि दिखने में बहुत real लगते हैं, but we just don't know about the backstory of it. So I tried ordering one dress from there and I paid and everything, like I paid online, and वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा से real website लग रहा था. इनका ऑनलाइन पोर्टल जो पेमेंट पोर्टल था वो भी बहुत ही रियल था. Everything was done and they told me that my dress will be shipped within 15 to 20 days. I waited for almost a month and it didn't come to me. And उसके बाद I tried searching उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके मेरे ऑर्डर्स पे. द वेबसाइट वॉज जस्ट गॉन. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट टू डू नाउ. बट एज यूजुअल आई डिडंट स्टॉप देयर. आई केप्ट लुकिंग ऑन अदर ऑनलाइन साइट सो दैट आई माइट गेट समथिंग एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा. बट इन माई एक्सपीरियंस it was not good because I guess जो online sites which we already know which are way too popular, they just don't provide that kind of trendy clothes at affordable prices. That's just not there at all. I mean, don't get me wrong, they have good clothes but not like Shein wale clothes, if you know what I mean. And then I decided to move on to Instagram stores, and yeah, I first went on my favorite स्टोर जिसके ऊपर मैंने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो बनाई हुई है. इट वॉज लाइक एन ऑफलाइन स्टोर एंड लेटर आई गॉट टू नो दैट दे आर ऑल्सो सेलिंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड आई वॉज लाइक वेयर वॉज दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो द स्टोर विच आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज इंसेंस एंड द इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल इज आई लव इंसेंस, एंड आई एम ऑल्सो लिंकिंग इट डाउन फॉर यू गाइस सो दैट यू कैन चेक दैट आउट. नाउ दे आर बोथ ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन. ऑफलाइन में दे हैव मेनी आउटलेट स्टोर्स इन Delhi where I live in, and online I recently got to know that they have an Instagram page as well where you can directly buy trendy clothes, cute clothes from there. And also for this month I tried to do this little experiment on you guys. मुझे नहीं पता, वैसे किसी को पता नहीं चला होगा, but anyway I tried to do this little experiment on you guys. So for this whole month I already bought many clothes from Incense and I wore each one of them in every video of mine like इस पूरे month में, and you guys genuinely loved the clothes and you guys kept asking me where is this top from, where is this dress from, so many other things. And I was like, okay, you guys are liking the tops and clothes which I'm wearing, so yeah, it worked and I passed. I know you guys must be having so many questions about how you can place an order from an Instagram store and how the whole process works. Okay, so the best part about the Incense Instagram page is that they already have a phone number उनके bio में, so you can directly call them and ask anything you want to. In fact, I called them personally and there was some girl, she was way too friendly. I asked her the dumbest questions ever and she was so sweet. She actually answered everything for me. Guys, I'm actually not kidding. I got many tops from there and they have so many cute vintage trendy styles at such affordable prices. Even the top which I'm wearing right now is from Incense only. I mean, just look at this flower detail. This is so vintagey and aesthetic. You can find them all over Instagram bahar wale boutique stores pe. And just look at this style. Oh my god, this is so Shein type, like this ruched design and with embellished strap. I mean, it is so trendy. Also guys, one tip would be, like, no matter how much I'm rooting for this brand Incense, I would suggest you guys that if you're ordering something, always opt for COD. And yes, they are doing COD, so that's great, because you know, you have that sense of security in your mind that okay, the product is in your hands and then only you're paying. So yeah, that's good. But at the same time, they also accept Paytm, Google Pay and other online banking transactions as well, but I would say go for COD. Okay, so now finally, how to order. Okay, so for example, you are on I Love Incense ke Instagram page pe and you like one top. Okay, so you'll just click on the photo and you just have to send it again to them, like as a DM पे उसको screenshot कर दो या फिर उसी को direct message उनको कर दो उन्हीं के profile पे, and someone will get in touch with you over DM only, and you can ask them anything, you know, on sizing, color specifications, address and so many other things. So they will also let you know what colors are available, what sizes are available, and once you confirm your sizing and colors, you can then share your you know, shipping address and other details so that the product will be delivered to you. Also, don't forget to mention your mode of payment if you're willing to go for cash on delivery or other online payment method. It's always good कि अगर तुम ही उन्हें पहले से बता दो, because that kind of saves your time, of course. Otherwise, they will ask you everything because obviously they are the one placing your order. Also, I asked this personally over a call that yes, they deliver all over India, which is so cool. And guys, they have literally so many varieties that you will just get tired scrolling through their Instagram page. And also the ones which I'm gonna be showing you today, if they are not available on their Instagram page, so what you can do is you can just click a screenshot throughout the whole video and just share it with them on their Instagram DM, and if it will be available, they will definitely help you out. Also, for the refunds and returns and shipping, I think it is different from product to product, so you only have to ask them while placing an order, because yeah, it's different from, you know, each product, each top or each dress and you know, things like that. So yeah, always clear it and then only place an order. Also guys, just don't go to them and tell ki we came from Sonia Garg's video. They are not going to give you any discount that way. They don't even know me, and this is not even a sponsored video. These are the clothes which I actually got for myself, and I just wanted to share the experience with you all. Or maybe if you just fill their Instagram DM with my name, maybe they'll get to know me and maybe they'll give you any discount. Maybe. Please मत करना यार ऐसे, कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. I try to cover almost everything from this Instagram store. Let me know if I missed anything, or if you have any other doubt or questions, I will answer them for you guys. Also, I'm coming up with more online stores, Instagram stores reviews for you guys, because I guess that's important and that's like a need of an hour also. So yeah, let me know, and if you have any other suggestions, store suggestion या फिर online stores के suggestions, let me know and I'll check them out for you guys. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. मैंने finally सही बोल दिया. Yes. Bye.